We are gathered here today for a special moment. We call him
Nobody now!
He was so kind. He was so generous. All he wanted to do was fly over the whole air. Just look at him. What's so impressive? Oh, Lord Jesus. Quiet, help me out right quick. Please, but okay. This bird. This bird. He was so nice. Quiet. He was a nice bird. And on this tonight, we congratulate his life. One of the greatest birds sitting on the lakefront on the side of the
Say that.
Glory. This bird was one of my friends, but I didn't have no friends. This bird was like a brother to me. My sister, she used to come over to the house and say, "You want to go see the bird? Because you know that you ain't got no friends." So I said, okay. And then when I walked over to the lakefront, I said, "Where's the bird?" The bird said, "Cool."
Corbin is going.
You know what? Okay, at the end of the eulogy, what is his bed? Okay, I'll cut this thing down.
Holy!
Don't do it!
Why is he holding his hands like this?
Don't do it! Good night.